Hello to everyone! So today we will be doing another fragrance review at nakikita nyo po sa ating title, no? We will be reviewing a perfume from a local brand called 625 Perfume. So kamusta po ba ang kanilang perfumes? Kamusta ba ito as a clone? At kamusta ba siya on its own? So stay tuned po! Ayun, so again guys, no? As you can see sa ating title, ang re-review po natin is Dancing Sand by 625 Perfumes, no? Pero before we go sa details nito and basically sa brand, no, sa house, no, we will try to review first at we will give the spotlight of course sa OG, no. I have a decant here of Sand Dance, no, by the house of Stefan Humbert Lucas. So sino po ba ang Stefan Humbert Lucas? Ano ba ang Sand Dance? So, let me give to you a short and brief na background ng house, no? And, of course, Sand Dance, no? So, Stefan Humbert Lucas, this is a niche house. And that name, yun din yung kanyang perfumer. So, ang perfumer niya ay si Stefan Humbert Lucas din, no? So, Stefan Humbert Lucas, a very interesting perfumer. Dahil hindi lang siya perfumer. No, actually, he's also an artist and a poet, no? So, hindi lamang po sa nakikita sa visual yung art na gusto niyang i-depict, no? Rather, yung art na yon gusto niyang ipakita or i-depict sa naamoy din or sa olfactive, no? Or what they call olfactive art, no? So, Sand Dance, no? Bakit Sand Dance, no? Actually, meron pong dalawang series ng perfumes or collection ng perfume si SHL, no, as he is known or the house is known sa community, no. Meron siyang 777 series, no, to show the perfect number, of course, or the complete number, of course, para po sa mga nakatry na yung kumbaga nakilala sa frag community ng PH, Panthea, Wish Come True, no, yan pong mga perfumes yan, Ohaira, no, yan po ang mga nakilala. Pero yung isa pang series, this is called La Collection Serpent, no, or Serpent, no. So ito pong La Collection Serpent, no, para po sa mga meron na, no, nito, no. If you notice, meron siyang yung bottle presentation niya, meron pong image ng snake, no. So may story kasi yun, no. So anyway, nakilala yun most particularly dahil po sa God of Fire, of course, the light blue, tapos may image ng snake, no. So nakilala po ang SHL sa frag community ng Pinas dahil po sa God of Fire. And of course, unti-unti nang nakilala yung Crying of Evil, Pink Boa, no, Mortal Skin, no, Lady White Snake, and of course ito pong Sand Dance, no, ng Stefan Humbert Lucas. So bakit Sand Dance? No, of course I tried researching about Sand Dance. No, ito pong La Collection Serpent pala, because SHL, he is fascinated sa creature ng snake, no. He tried to make a series or a collection about snake, no. Snake, his power, his story, the legend, the myth surrounding yung creature na yon, ginawa niya ng series, no. Bawat isa po, God of Fire, Pink Boa, Crying of Evil, Sand Dance, lahat po yan may story. And this is the story of Sand Dance. So, Sand Dance, no, is inspired sa isang tribe sa Rajasthan. Now, Rajasthan is located sa India. And they have this tribe called the Kalbelia tribe, no. So, this nomadic tribe, no, they have this dance, no, a folk dance, no, where they interpret it na they're dancing like snake, parang yung movement ng snake, and they try to show kumbaga yung isang culture ng Calbelia tribe, which is snake charming. Siguro na nakikita nyo yan, no, sa TV or sa internet, no, yung parang mga people, no, who are trying to hypnotize yung cobra, parang ganun, no, parang just to give us a mental picture, no. Dito po yun inspired, no, and ito pong dance na ginagawa nila, they wear black and red dress and they just dance to the emotions of the music until they enter this trance, no. So para siyang ritual, at the same time para siyang party, parang ganun, no. And to complete na the image of the dance, no, Rajasthan, bakit may sand, no? Rajasthan actually is located sa sa desert part ng India, thus the name sand dance. Okay, so very interesting, no. Ito po yung kagandahan din, no, sa niche in the house, no. Ang kagandahan sa kanila, meron silang story, no, which I like, no. Talagang gusto kong mag-delve doon sa story. I know not everyone is fond, no, doon sa ganun, no, pero for me, gusto kong ginagawa yon, no. Gusto kong nagre-research and gusto kong mag-share, no, kasi I think may mga makaka-appreciate din, no. So anyway, sand dance, no. Let's go to the scent accords and notes. As always, we will place it here. The accords are warm, spicy, ambery, boozy, of course you could see whiskey there, powdery, vanillic, and balsamic. And the notes, whiskey, coriander, mandarin orange, cacao, sandalwood, benzoin, etc. Ilalagay natin dito lahat. And the scent profile, no, kamusta ba ang sand dance sa akin? So, sand dance, the star notes for me would be whiskey and cacao, no. So, whiskey and cacao. And para sa akin, yung experience ko, this starts with whiskey, no. Hindi siya matamis, no, pero may parang asim siya. Whiskey and this peppery and pencil-like citrus coming from most probably the combination of orange, kasi po may mandarin orange note, hindi naman po yan yung kind ng orange na matamis, and coriander. And yung coriander, of course, this is peppery pero may woody aspects, no. Again, think of the smell of a pencil, no, o yung pencil shavings, no, parang ganon, pinagsama mo yun. So that's the opening. Then the bitter and slightly sweet effect of cacao comes in. Tapos nagiging woody, musky, and lactonic siya, no? Vanillic or lactonic siya because of the sandalwood. Then as you go deeper sa base, no, it becomes dense, it becomes creamy. Dahil doon sa tonka bean. And it goes balsamic and a bit animalic, most probably dahil po sa benzoin and styrax, no. So balsamic kasi yan pero may animalic features. Actually, ang benzoin, for example, meron pa yung times na nagiging medyo leathery, no. So yun yung kanyang scent profile basically, no. Yun yung development niya sa aking skin. If I would try to compare it sa ibang perfumes, I could think of some perfumes, no, para ma-imagine lang natin lalo, kasi ang hirap na notes lang, no. Para sa akin, this is like Givenchy's Gentleman Reserve Privé without the iris, no, kasi po may boozy note yan, and you combined it with Spice Bomb EDT, no, not the extreme, kasi yung EDT, that's more of a more tolerable na cumin and cardamom. I believe may coriander din yan. So anyway, if you combine that, again, no, GGRP and Spice Bomb EDT, para sa akin ganun siya, na merong konting CH Men Privé, the discontinued great designer frag CH Men Privé. Of course, that's boozy, and the booze note used there ay whiskey, kasi of course may difference pag ang gamit ng perfume is cognac or rum or whiskey, no? So whiskey, no, yun yung star note din ng Sageman Privé. Also, it's whiskey, no, para po sa mga nakatry na, it is like a toned down version doon sa whiskey use ng Unique Luxuries Kutay, no, or Kutay, no. I have Kutay there, or Kutay. And of course, ang Kutay, no, this is also similar sa Baraonda ng Nasumato. So yung whiskey use doon, just to give us an idea, parang ganon, no? Parang ganon yung whiskey use ng Sundance, no? So anyway, yun yung kanyang note breakdown at yung experience ko sa Frag at kung saan ko ba siya mako-compare. Now, let us go sa Dancing Sand. Kamusta ba ang Dancing Sand? Okay. Dancing Sand, this is a creation ng 605 Perfumes. Ang 605 Perfumes, ang owner po nito, ang manager, shout out po sa inyo, Sir Paul Prestado, no? Nakita nyo na po yan sa sniff session ninyo sa Manila. And of course, sa mga susunod na sniff session, kasama na yan si Sir, no? Very great, no? Great selection, not only selection but creation, no? Amazing yung kanyang knowledge, no? Yung kanya pong desire, yung kanyang passion to really share his work sa community, no? And sabi ko nga kay Sir Paul, no, hindi po sa pambobola, isa to sa local brand or inspired or cloning brand na gusto ko, no? So anyway, 605 Perfumes, they are based in Binyan, Laguna. No, mamaya ilalagay din po natin yung link nila. No, meron silang Facebook and Shopee page, no. So ilalagay natin yung link sa description box para po ma-check ninyo. So anyway, yung first encounter ko sa 605 Perfumes, just to give you a short story, was I think parang 3 or 4 months ago, no. Nag-initiate si Sir Paul sa community na magbibigay siya ng sample for review. So, ang na-try ko ay yung version niya ng Creed Aventus at saka ng Donna Karan, no? I like them very much. Doon pa lang, no? Sabi ko kay Sir Paul, malaki ang future ninyo sa local scene, no? Lalo po ngayon ang dami pong local brands, no, like Symmetry Lab, no, or Scent-Smith, no? Ito po yung mga malalaki sa ngayon, no? Pero marami pong may future talaga sa local scene, no, even the local cloning or inspired perfume scene, no. So anyway, no, ito po yung observations ko dito sa Dancing Sand. Okay, sa Dancing Sand, yung whiskey nito, actually kanina sinide by side ko na siya, of course, even before I reviewed this, no. Sinide by side ko na siya kanina nung lumabas ako. Ito pong Dancing Sand, yung whiskey note nito, yung use ni Sir Paul dito ng 625 Perfumes, for me personally, no, compared sa OG, no, yung 625 Perfumes, yung Dancing Sand, no, mas dense yung kanyang whiskey, no, kasi ito po ang napansin ko dito sa Sundance, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung whiskey use niya, it is lighter, siguro it is balanced, no, ng sandalwood, ng note ng sandalwood, and it transitions to balsamic and slightly animalic notes, no. So yun, no, ang sandalwood, yun yung nagiging distinct or connecting note niya, no, from the mid to the base, no. So parang hindi siya abrupt na nawawala yung whiskey, pero smooth yung transition niya because of the sandalwood. Ito pong Dancing Sand, sabi ko nga kay Sir Paul, no, hindi po nawawala, no, sa nose ko, no, hindi nawawala from top to base yung whiskey note, no. And for me personally, while it is true na talagang gustong-gusto ko tong Sundance, gusto ko rin na prominent yung boozy note, no, kasi isa po yan sa kumbaga gusto kong note in perfumery. Kaya yung Kutay, no, gustong-gusto ko kasi napaka-prominent nung kanyang whiskey note. So anyway, yun yung isang observation ko. And ang napansin ko pa dito sa Dancing Sand, kasi ito po, very prominent yung coriander with citruses niya sa top. Para sa akin dito, mas detectable yung coriander. If there be citrus dito, siguro po konting-konti lang, or they toned that down, no? I think ang gustong ipalabas dito ni Sir Paul, well, hindi ko pa siya tinanong, no, ay kumbaga yung character mas ano, no, mas maangas, no, mas forward yung whiskey, no, as compared to the OG, no. Pero yun nga, yun yung aking observation dito basically. And Dancing Sand, no, for me lang, no, they both have great performance, no, pero siguro dahil sa whiskey note, parang mas nagpupush siya, no, yung projection niya. This is more projecting, no, in my personal opinion. But again, no, both of them on their own, they are very good, no. So ayun, no, Dancing Sand, no, basically good scent profile, good overall performance. And what are my final thoughts, no? Bago ko pala gawin nyo, ipakita ko lang sa inyo, no, yung details niya. So this is the scent, or rather the bottle presentation, no. Minimalistic, no, of course a sprayer, no. Minsan mas gusto mo yung minimalistic lang na design, no, ng bottle, no. Parang medyo reminiscent pa nga ng mga Byredo na bottle presentation. And of course, this is the box, no, 605 Perfumes, the name of the brand, no, the name of the perfume, of course the concentration, no. So yun, no, basically yan yung kanyang presentation. So yun, let's go to the final thoughts, no. Before anything else, I would like to say the OG is still the OG. Wala pong makakapalit sa Sundance, no. Wala pong makakapalit dito. This is still the OG. But as a clone, no, kasi yun naman yung purpose niya, as a clone, Dancing Sand, and on its own, very good, no, really good. I like it very much, no. Actually, i-review pa natin yung iba na meron ako, no, na nakuha ko sa 605 Perfumes. Pero this is very good, no. Ngayon pa lang, Sir Paul, sinasabi ko na sa inyo, no, sa taste ko, ito yung pinakagusto ko, no. So anyway, this is again one of those local brands na sabi ko naman kanina na gusto ko. Kasi they are, ano, no, yung brand na to, daring sila, no. Gusto nila yung challenge ng niche. Gusto nila mag-explore. No, ito po yung sinasabi ko sa iba kong mga nire-review before, no. While the scent profile is good, no, it, of course, no, depende naman yan sa target ninyo. Pero hanga ako sa 625 Perfumes kasi they like to explore that realm, no. They like to explore niche, no. Isa yun sa nagsasabi sa akin na dahil you want that challenge, no. Nasabi ko na rin to kay Sir Paul, dahil you want that challenge, it only means na you believe in your business, you believe in your capability. So sana, ano, personally sa akin, maging inspiration ito ng ibang local brands. Of course, no, gusto ninyong makilala, kaya you try your best to ride doon sa hype, no, ng designers or even ng Middle Eastern brands. Pero my encouragement, no, if you believe in your product, no, take that challenge, no. Explore nyo rin yung niche, no. So anyway, quality wise, amazing, no. Excited na ako na maipaamoy ito sa sniff session namin sa Baguio Fragrance. By the way, meron tayong sniff session sa Sunday, paalala lang, no. So ayun, if you check the shop, no, bukod doon sa Aventus and their variation of Donna Karan, no, meron din silang Ani ng Nishane, meron silang Boadiceas Hanuman, and God of Fire ng SHL, no. Isa yan sa mga i-review natin sa mga susunod. Yung Halte ng PDM, guys, look at the selection, no. hindi lang siya basta on the hype side, no? They try to explore no? So amazed ako, no, sa guts kumbaga ng 605 Perfumes. So yun yun lang siguro yung gusto kong masabi about Dancing Sand and 605 Perfumes. Again, no, we'll be talking about more about the house, no, sa mga susunod na reviews natin. And of course, no, I would like to promote 605 Perfumes at ang kanilang online shop, no, ilalagay natin ang kanilang links below. Of course, si Sir Paul Prestado, para you could contact him, no, para sa request niyo. At ang maganda kay Sir Paul kasi, guys, no, isa to sa na-appreciate ko sa karamihan naman, no, they want to ask for your advice and your suggestions. Kanina, kumbaga mahaba-haba yung listahan na binigay ko kay Sir Paul na pwede niyang i-explore the next time. Ayun, no? And by the way, guys, nakuha ko po itong decant na ito, no, from the shop of Ma'am Annie Rostata, no. Si Ma'am Annie, ang bihira yung shop niya, no. If you are looking for hard to find designer frags at lalo po niche frags, please do check her shop out, no. Ilalagay din po natin sa ating description box. So yun lang, guys. If you find this interesting and helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe, and paki-on nyo na rin po yung inyong notification bell. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo.